Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to quickly add your calendar to your mobile home screen. First go to your mobile home screen and long press on an empty space. Now tap on widgets. Scroll down until you see calendar. Tap and hold it, then drag it onto your home screen. You can also resize the calendar. Your calendar is now available on your home screen, always ready to keep you on track. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.